One of my favorite workshops I get to facilitate is called All Aboard the Hot Mess Express, which is actually all about examining and dismantling some of the common beliefs and core elements of professionalism. Professionalism is a really broad term, and while this workshop doesn't tackle the subject in its entirety, that would be more like an entire semester-long course. We get to explore a few critical philosophies and practices that have come up many times over my years of working with professionals and paraprofessionals. What does the title Hot Mess Express have to do with professionalism? The title of this workshop comes from one of the main points within the presentation. It's a personal quote of mine that I have lived by and taught for many years. It's okay to ride the struggle bus every once in a while, but it is never okay to get all aboard the Hot Mess Express. Let's get real. We all have those days, maybe even those weeks. And that's okay, because we're human. We're imperfect, flawed beings. We make mistakes. We struggle. We get overwhelmed. It's all part of the human experience, which means it's not acceptable or healthy for us to shame ourselves or others for struggling. So it's okay to ride the struggle bus sometimes, maybe even drive the struggle bus. Maybe we missed the bus entirely and we're running behind it trying to catch up at the next stop. The point is, the struggle bus makes stops around town. You get on, you struggle, you get your stuff together, and you get off at the next stop. Or in 5 stops, or in 20 stops, but you get off the bus. It's a temporary situation. Whereas the Hot Mess Express is an express train making no stops headed straight for the final destination of dumpster fire. It's a more permanent situation. It's a full-on way of being, a lifestyle. All professionals struggle, but truly professional people who identify as professional and live accordingly get their overall life together. They ask for and accept the help they need. They contribute to society and make a positive impact. So the struggle bus versus the Hot Mess Express is the difference between having a rough patch and being a full-on mess of a person who does not have their stuff together or contribute to society. I include this lesson and others like it in my workshop because I believe we don't look deeply enough at situations where work and life coexist. The phrase work-life balance is another part of this presentation, but that is a whole other conversation. Are you ready to dive into more lessons on professionalism? Are you ready to practice some basic but critical skills like having a great handshake, giving good hugs, and asking better questions when networking? Then head over to my website to set up your free consultation with me. Stay excellent.